What up, YouTube? This is another Super Geeks production. Information learned here is for informational purposes only. Maneuvers and tricks cannot be used against supergeeks.com. Today I'm going to show you how to run Microsoft Virtual PC, and then you're going to mount a Backtrack ISO and run it in a virtual machine. What I want you to do is click on New once you've downloaded and installed this program. Click Next, Create Virtual Machine, and I want you to name it something. We're going to name it Test Back. Going to be loading Backtrack. Don't worry about your operating system. If you're running Windows 7 or Windows Vista, or maybe even XP Pro, I'm sorry, then it's gonna give you a problem when you install it. It's gonna pop up an error box. Just continue with the installation. It will let you, and it'll continue to work. Anyway, adjust your RAM because you're gonna need more than what it allocates normally. Click on New Virtual Hard Disk. Copy this location just in case. 16 gigs is good enough. Start with Next. Finish. Click on Start once you've found your options in your virtual PC console. Click on Start under your virtual machine you just created. Click on CD, Capture ISO, and you're going to look for your ISO that you want to mount. It's going to automatically mount it and run it for you. I'm going to go ahead and start in safe mode, just because Linux's safe mode is different than Windows. It loads almost everything to your graphics and everything. It'll be normal. Don't worry about these checksums. My image is a DVD image. That's why it's bad checksum, because I'm running it locally through a virtual machine. You can download Microsoft Virtual PC 07 or before-ish editions. Before, you could probably get it. I'm pretty sure it's still free on most places. It's free definitely, but some people charge the membership at least. But either way, just find it. It's free. It's good stuff. Give it a minute. It's loading a big package, 758 megs. Now, good thing about Microsoft Virtual PC, you can load the ISO without it being a .iso extension. It could still be zipped into its normal file, and then you can open it through there. So you don't necessarily have to unzip it and then run your ISO. It's pretty cool. VMware is just like this. VMware is good stuff too. If you have it, keep using it. It's good stuff. This is just probably a little easier setup, but that has its fallbacks also. Now that you're at your console, type Start X, start your browser, your GUI. Alright, we're in. We've locally started the Backtrack 4 from remote exploit. The Linux distro built off of Ubuntu kernels, or kernel I should say. Anyways, we're in. I'm going to start my network. ifconfig will give you your pretty much the same thing as ipconfig Windows, but ifconfig and Linux. Alright, thank you for tuning in to the Super Geeks. Have a good day.